Hey everyone, and welcome to Vlogtober Day 1. So here on this channel, I wanted to share with you guys some Vlogtober ideas as I am a teacher's channel. Yes, a teacher's channel. So in the mail, by the way, this video is sponsored by Firmoo, who decided to send me a package of glasses. This has my prescription on it, and let me just say to you that if you're ever looking for some cheap glasses or glasses online for your own prescription, it literally is something that you can get with Firmoo. So I'm going to unbox this and definitely try these on. The features about these glasses, as I do try them on, is just that they are affordable, they are very stylish, and the price of these glasses are very cheap. And then of course the shipping is really great as well. You get them in no time. The shopping experience is great. So here it is, straight out of the package. Not only do you get this case, but inside of the case, you just literally push this and it opens. Inside of here, you get a Firmoo gift card that is a best gift for best friends, and it's 50% off of the frames. It gives you a code, and then you'll get basically like how to maintain eye health and how to contact them, how to clean the glasses, how to care for them, and how to adapt to new glasses. You also get to celebrate with them their 15th birthday and then share another code. Inside of here, underneath those, is simply just this little bag here. And this is easily used as a case to put the glasses in. You also get like a little bag that has Firmoo on it. It has a drawstring where you can close this whenever you're not using them. So here we go. These are the clear burgundy C4 glasses that you guys see here. When you go to their website, this is what you're going to see here when you are going to look for this pair here. I really do like this pair because of the color, but I also love the two tones, and I like the fact that it does have my prescription in it, as you guys can see. So on the side, it's fully red. Down at the bottom, it's that clear, so clear and burgundy. Shipping takes about 7 to 14 days for you guys to get. And let me just say that they're really, really cute. They're very stylish. They're very affordable. I will have the links for this pair in my description box down below, along with my code to use for these, for this pair right here. Now, I do have another pair because they did sponsor my other channel. So because they sponsored my other channel, I decided to just get something different. So these are the frames that I got from the other channel. These are just like the holographic ones where it's actually like a teal and a purple mixed together. I really do like it. They do give you the opportunity to put on the anti-reflective in your glasses because that is what I needed, and that's what I like. So two very affordable pairs of glasses, like I said, and thank you so much to Firmoo for sending these. I definitely love this red pair. Y'all know I love red hair. If you guys have been on this channel for a long time, I have had red hair. I just decided to do the blonde because we went on vacation this summer and I didn't want the red to get everywhere. But of course, with fall coming up and the red and the clear, the burgundy and the clear, and of course Christmas, these will make some great frames to wear during that time. And then of course, like I said, I just really like the way that they feel. I like the way that they look. You guys can see from the sides, this is what it looks like. And then the bottom. These ones are adorable as well. I do like the fact that they're like thicker to where I can see more. I don't like those smaller ones, but these definitely give a great big frame for me. And so if you like either of these pairs, check out the link and the code that is in my description box down below so that you guys can order yourself some today. So thanks for watching. I'll see you guys for Vlogtober Day 2.